Dear students, welcome to mathematics online classes. In the last class, we have solved some of the properties on integral of functions using trigonometric identities. Now, we will go to the exercise on that. Exercise 7.3 we are going to solve now. In that, first problem I have written here, integrate the following functions. First problem, integration of sin square 2x plus 5, integration of sin square of 2x plus 5 with respect to x. Integration of sin square, it is directly, we do not have such a rule. Now, we will use trigonometric identities here. What is that trigonometric identity? We know cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 times sin square x. I will use this trigonometric identity to integrate it. Okay, here we separate for sin square x. This can be written as 2 times the sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Now, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. This is the formula known to us. Using that, I can write the integral as 1 minus cos of 2 into, in place of x, 2x plus 5 is there, whole divided by 2 into dx, that will be as it is. This is 1 by 2 is a constant multiple, we can write out of the integral 1 by 2 into integral of 1 minus cos of 2 get multiplies with these two terms. This is 4x plus 10. Whole integration is with respect to x. Now, can we integrate this one or not? Yes, we can integrate. First one will be integration of 1 with respect to x, that is direct one, and second one is integration of cos of 4x plus 10. It is in the form integration of small f of ax plus b with respect to x, which is equal to capital F of ax plus b divided by coefficient of x plus c, where capital F is integral of small f. Now, coming to the problem, 1 by 2 into integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus as it is, integration of cos is sin of 4x plus 10, that will be as it is, divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Here 4 is there, plus c. Integration completed, put plus c. 1 by 2 you multiply with this. This is x by 2 minus sin of 4x plus 10 divided by 2 into 4, 8 plus c. Yes, this is about problem number 1 in the exercise 7.3. Now, problem number 2 is that integral of sin 3x into cos 4x. Integral of sin 3x into cos 4x with respect to x. Now, it is sin into cos. What is the formula? You know, trigonometric identities. I will use here using 2 times sin A into cos B. What is 2 times sin A into cos B? We know this one as sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. This is the formula we know. 2 times sin A into cos B is equal to. Here sin into cos is there. For that, sin A into cos B is equal to 1 by 2 I take to the right hand side. This is 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. In the same way, using this formula, I can write sin 3x into cos 4x as 1 by 2 times sin of 3x plus 4x plus sin of 3x minus 4x. Okay, this is nothing but 1 by 2 into sin 7x plus of sin of minus x. 1 by 2 into sin 7x, sin of minus x is nothing but minus sin x. Okay, coming to the integral, integration of sin 3x into cos 4x into dx is equal to integral of sin 3x into cos 4x is nothing but this one 1 by 2 is constant multiple, right out of the integral. 1 by 2 into integral of sin 7x minus sin x, integral is with respect to x. Now we can integrate it. 1 by 2 into, what is integral of sin 7x? Integral of sin is minus cos, right? Minus cos 7x divided by coefficient of x is 7. Minus, as it is, integral of sin x is minus cos x. Minus minus becomes plus cos x plus c. This 1 by 2 multiplies to both the terms. This is minus cos 7x by 14 plus cos x by 2 plus c is the integral of second one, that is sin 3x into cos 4x. With this, two problems completed. We will go to the next problem, that is problem number 3. Problem number 3 is integration of cos 2x. Problem number 3 is integration of cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. Integration is with respect to x. Okay. Here what we do, same way we will proceed using the formula cos A into cos B. What is cos A into cos B formula? Let me rewrite this. This is cos of 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x into dx. Okay. Using the trigonometric identity, using cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B is equal to 2 times cos A into cos B. 2 times cos A into cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This is the formula what we know. Using this formula, cos A into cos B is equal to, we can write 1 by 2 times cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. Here, first of all, I will take this cos 6x and cos 4x. Cos 6x into cos 4x is equal to 1 by 2 times cos of 6x plus 4x plus cos of 6x minus 4x. 1 by 2 times, this is cos 10x, this is cos 2x. What is this? This is cos 6x into cos 4x. What we have? We have cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x. Now multiplying cos 2x on both sides, cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2 times cos 10x plus cos 2x. This is multiplied with the cos 2x. You see, to have the term whatever is given in the integral, I am multiplying both sides by cos 2x. We are getting whatever is there in the integral. Now this cos 2x get multiplies with these two. 1 by 2 times cos 10x into cos 2x plus cos 2x into cos 2x is nothing but cos square 2x. Okay. Again you see here cos 10x into cos 2x it is. Cos 10x into cos 2x is in the form of cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B equal to, once again I will use this formula, 1 by 2 times cos 10x into cos 2x. It is cos of, one more 1 by 2 will come here, 1 by 2 into cos 10x plus 2x plus of cos of 10x minus 2x. This 1 by 2 multiplies to both the terms, plus of cos square 2x. Okay. Now which is equal to 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, as it multiplies to both the terms, I am multiplying it now. 1 by 2 into cos 12x plus 1 by 2 into cos, this is 10x minus 2x is 8x plus of cos square 2x as it is. Fine. Okay. Further we can simplify it. Here cos square 2x is there, no? I will use the formula for cos 2x, that is 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 times a cos square x. Here you see cos square 2x is there, that become, I am rewriting this formula, 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is equal to cos square x. Here x is there, this is becoming 2x. Suppose here 4x is there, this become 8x, and here what we have 2x is there, cos square 2x is there, it become cos 4x, that's all. Now 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 into cos 12x plus 1 by 2 into cos 8x plus of cos square 2x. Using this formula I can write 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Okay. Here by 2 by 2 by 2 is common from all three terms. Take it out. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 become 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is multiplied with cos 12x plus cos 8x plus 1 plus cos 4x. This is what? This is just the simplified form of cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x. Now we come to the integral. Integration of cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x with respect to x is equal to, this is simplified form, 1 by 4 is constant multiple out of the integral, into cos into integral of cos 12x plus cos 8x plus 1 plus cos 4x, whole integral is with respect to x. Now we can integrate it. 1 by 4 is outside as it is. What is integration of cos 12x? It is in the form of f of ax plus b, where f is cos function, ax plus b is 12x plus 0, a is 12. Okay. What is integration of cos? It is sin. Sin 12x by 12 plus of integration of cos 8x is sin 8x by coefficient of x is 8 plus 1 is there here. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4. Sin 4x by 4, integration completed. Put plus here. This 1 by 4 if you want, you can multiply with all the terms. This become sin 12x by 48 plus sin 8x by 8 4 32 plus x by 8 plus sin 4x by 4 into 4 16 plus c. This is the integral of the given function. This is about problem number 3 in the exercise 7.3. Now we go to problem number 4. Problem number 4, it is given as sin cube of 2x plus 1. Integral of sin cube of 2x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay. Now sin cube is there. Sin cube, already in the previous exercise I told you how to integrate sin cube x. In two ways we can follow. Now integrating it, integral of sin cube 2x plus 1 is there, no? I will write this one as sin square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1. Integration is with respect to x. This is sin square, I can write it as 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1. Using the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that one I did here. into sine of 2x plus 1 into dx. Now you see here, suppose we substitute t is equal to cos of 2x plus 1, its differentiation gives us sine 2x plus 1, then very easy to integrate it. Okay, here you substitute t is equal to cos of 2x plus 1. Differentiating the function with respect to x, we have dt by dx is equal to differentiation of cos is minus sine 2x plus 1 into differentiation of this 2x plus 1. What is the differentiation of 2x plus 1? That is 2. Okay, here I have sine 2x plus 1 into dx. This minus 2 you take to the left hand side. Minus 1 by 2 into dt is equal to sine of 2x plus 1 into dx. Okay, coming to the integral of 1 minus t square into sin 2x plus 1 into dx is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into dt. Minus 1 by 2 I will write outside into dt. Now we can integrate it. Minus 1 by 2 into, what is integration of 1 with respect to t? It is t, minus of integration of t square with respect to t is t raised to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, means t raised to 3 by 3 plus c. Minus 1 by 2 will multiply with both the terms. This can be written as minus 1 by 2 into t, minus minus plus t cube by 2 into 3, 6 plus c. This is t cube plus 6 minus 1 by 2 into t plus c. What is t here? T is equal to cos of 2x plus 1. You substitute that. Cos cube of 2x plus 1 by 6 minus cos of 2x plus 1 by 2 plus c is the problem number 4 in the exercise 7.3. Now taking problem number 5. Problem number 5 is sin cube x into cos cube x. Integration of sin cube x into cos cube x with respect to x. Very simple it is. What you do? Again here 2 to 3 ways are there. Integration of this sin cube is there, we will write this one as sin square x into sin x. Sin square x into this cos cube x as it is into sin x into dx we are writing here. Fine. Sin cube x I am writing it as sin square into sin, that is again sin cube only. Cos cube I am keeping as it is. This is sin square is there, sin square using the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta, I can write it as 1 minus cos square theta, means it is integral of 1 minus cos square x into cos cube x into sin x into dx. Now here what you will substitute? You will substitute t is equal to cos x. Now differentiating the function with respect to x, we have dt by dx is equal to differentiation of cos is minus sin x. Okay, this can be written as minus dt is equal to sin x into dx. Okay, coming to the integral of 1 minus cos x means I am substituting t square into cos x means t, it is a t cube. Sin x into dx is minus dt. Minus you write outside into dt. Minus will get multiplied with this. Integral of this can be written as t square minus 1 into t cube into dt. Minus is getting multiplied with this. This become minus 1 plus t square. Minus 1 plus t square is t square minus 1. Integral of t cube will get multiplied with these two. T square into t cube, t raised to 5 minus 1 into t cube is t cube. Integral is with respect to t. Now we will integrate it. Integration of t raised to 5 is t raised to 6 by 6 minus of t raised to 3 is t raised to 4 by 4 plus c. What is t? T is nothing but cos x. Okay, this can be written as cos raised to 6x by 6 minus cos raised to 4x by 4 plus c. See, you may ask the question here, sir, instead of substituting t t is equal to cos x. Can we take here t is equal to sin x? Yes, we can take t is equal to sin x also. That answer whatever you get, that is also equivalent to the answer we got here. See, instead of splitting sin cube as a sin x sin square into sin, we may split cos cube also. Like cos cube is there, no? You write it as cos square into cos. That cos square you write 1 minus sin square. Then you substitute t is equal to sin x. You will get answer in terms of sin, but that answer will be equivalent to the answer we got here. Okay. Thank you. Now in the next video we will solve remaining problems. After this only 20 minutes has gone, so we will cover some more problems. Yes, now problem number 6 onwards. Problem number 6 is given that sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x. Integral of sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x. Integration is with respect to x. Fine. Here you will use the formula for a sin into sin. Let me rewrite this problem. This can be written as sin 3x into sin 2x into sin x into dx. It is there. I will use the formula sin into sin. What is that sin into sin equal to formula? You know, 2 times sin a into sin b is equal to, we know the formula as minus of cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. This is the formula we have studied in first year trigonometry. Here sin a into sin b is there. This 1 by 2 also you take to the right hand side. Sin a into sin b, which is equal to 1 by 2 times this minus I will multiply inside. This become cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. I am multiplying minus with these two terms. Okay, now here you see sin 3x into sin 2x is there. Take this. This is sin 3x into sin 2x, which is equal to 1 by 2 times cos of, what is a? A is 3x minus 2x minus of cos of 3x plus 2x. Okay, 1 by 2 times cos x minus cos 5x. What is this? This is sin 3x into sin 2x. What we have? Sin 3x into sin 2x into sin x is there. Both side you multiply with sin x. This become sin 3x into sin 2x into sin x is equal to 1 by 2 times cos x minus cos 5x into sin x it is. Okay, sin x you multiply with these two. This become 1 by 2 times cos x into sin x minus of cos 5x into sin x. Now simplifying this, first one is very easy. We can do it because we will use the formula for first one using sin 2x is equal to 2 times sin x into cos x. It is like sin x into cos x. This become sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2 is equal to sin x into cos x. This first one, okay. Sin 2x we can integrate directly. And what about this cos 5x into sin x? For that we will use the trigonometric identity cos into sin using the formula 2 times cos A into sin B. This is nothing but what? This is nothing but sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. This is the formula we know, cos a into sin b formula. Yes, this here you see cos 5x into sin x is there, 1 by 2 also goes to the right hand side, cos 5x into sin x which is equal to 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 I am taking into sine of a plus b means 5x plus x minus sine of a minus b means 5x minus x, 1 by 2 times this is sine 6x minus sine 4x. Okay. Now coming to this, we have sine 3x into sine 2x into sine x which is equal to 1 by 2 times cos x into sin x is nothing but sine 2x by 2. I am writing this one, sine 2x by 2, then minus of, here we have cos 5x into sin x is nothing but 1 by 2 times sine 6x minus sine 4x, 1 by 2 times sine 6x minus sine 4x. Okay. Here you see 1 by 2 common, take this outside, this become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 which is multiplied with the sine 2x minus 1 into plus, that is minus sine 6x minus minus plus sine 4x. What is this? This is a simplified form of sine 3x into sine 2x into sine 6x. Now we will come to the integral. Integration of sine 3x into sine 2x into sin x into dx is equal to 1 by 4 times integral of sin 2x minus sin 6x plus sin 4x, whole integral is with respect to x, 1 by 4 as it is. Now we will integrate. In sin 2x, it is in the standard form, integral of f of ax plus b, where f is the function sin here, ax plus b is 2x plus 0, a value 2, b value 0. Integration of sin is minus cos, this 2x you write as it is, divided by coefficient of x 2, minus of integral of sin 6x is minus cos, minus minus becomes plus cos 6x by 6. Next, integral of sin 4x is minus cos 4x by 4 plus c. Okay, here this 1 by 4 we can multiply with all three terms. This become minus cos 2x by 8 plus cos 6x by 24 minus cos 4x by 16 plus c as the answer. Thank you.